What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I'm back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these giveaways, these uploads, these vibes that I have going on over here. And if you are new, I think I said subscribe. Yes, please do subscribe. I am doing a giveaway. It's going to be two winners. One will be getting the magic, oh, it's a mini, the magic mini by Juvia's Place, and the masquerade mini by Juvia's Place. Please enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, be active on this channel. Whatever I post, I think I'll be announcing the winner 2 weeks from now. The colors on the palette, I have the regular size magic Juvia's Place. These are the colors right here. It should be the same colors inside. And I have the mini masquerade. Yeah, these are the colors right here. And it would be nice if you followed my Instagram, which is at Minnie Dollface. I will leave the link down below. If you want to see how I did these two looks with the two palettes, then let's get into this glam, sis. I'm gonna go into the masquerade mini palette, and I'm gonna take this nice Birkin, whatever that color that is, and put that so then with a tighter brush, I'm gonna use the same color and just bring it under. So then with the same brush, we'll clean it. I'm gonna go into Zulu, the darker brown.
With you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. I don't wanna fight with you.
Then I'm gonna go into Casablanca, this nice bronzy shade right here, and put that all on the lid.
Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no.
This is the finished look. I feel like I did this look already with this exact same hair. If you want to see where I got this hair from, I will leave the link down below. The second palette that I'm giving away is the Magic by Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna do an eye look, another eye look using these colors. I'm gonna go into this nice burnt orange shade right here. Oh, it matches my bedsheet. I'm gonna go in with Nana with the same brush, this edge. I really don't feel like cutting anything, so I'm just gonna go in with Juvia, which is this color right here, this golden color right here, and put that all on the lid. Then I'm gonna take Nana again. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush. Use it some more.
I would rather lie. I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
So this is the finished look. I'm feeling real fallish. And yeah, this was a nice fall look. So please don't forget to enter that giveaway. You don't want to miss out because I will be picking 2 winners. If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs. Till next time, peace.